NMAX stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Newsmax is already 10% down. I mean, honestly, after that crazy pump, I was like, maybe this has a little more fuel, you know, to pump up, but that's all we got. Generally speaking, I've had made previous receipts on this, and you can see exactly how they were in Discord. Again, I'm going to stick to my strategy that I've tested for 39,000 videos, but unless I see this double break and I never saw it, then why the heck would I look to buy? If you know what I mean, right? Like, it makes no goddamn sense to me. Because again, I would rather stick to something that I've tried and tested and it's proven, rather than trying to reinvent the wheel. This is how traders lose money, you know, like this is how they're just trying to show up and they're trying to play smarter than they are. I mean, I'm not sitting here just trying to boast rant, but it's just simply because I've been there the same way, man. I've done it for 5 years. But if you want to make, like, what's up with this? It can melt down as much as it wants, but if I see a shift above here, then yeah, it's like a whole, it's like a light bulb. It's going to pop up. But I'll keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.